Hey guys, this is what I'm doing in today's video, so stick around and check it out. Alright, so I am working on a hexagon canvas today. I have a bottle bottom that I am using, and I have my canvas on top of my cake turntable. This white here that I'm using is just regular Artist Loft white. It is mixed with Floetrol and water only. And I do have some, I'm just using some simple colors today, not too many, and I'm just trying to spin it out. It's almost going to be like, not necessarily a pillow of paint, but you know, just a little bit of a layer to kind of help it to smooth out or spread out a little easier. And I am going to here in a second grab my torch. I have some stubborn air bubbles that I do not want, so I'm going to get rid of them. All right, so with that, the other paints that I am using, I just have black, which is Liquitex Basics Mars Black, mixed with Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black. And that is mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol, and water. And then the smaller cup that I'm using is Golden Interference Blue. I thought that might add some nice sparkle and shimmer to this painting. The other cup of white is Amsterdam White mixed with Floetrol and water only. And with all of that being said, all the colors, I will have them in the description as well. But I just wanted to, for those of you that are new and not subscribed, I hope that you watch this video and enjoy it and then subscribe. Also, hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. All right, so I'm going to let you guys go and enjoy this, and I will be back for the dried results. Okay guys, so here's the dried photos and I am super happy with my results. Look how pretty that interference blue is. I am loving the composition of this piece as well. I would love to hear your guys' thoughts. Leave me a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, click the bell to be notified again for when I upload new videos. Also, share it if you think someone might enjoy it, and I will catch you in my next video.